Hey, thanks for joining me for the third installment of the mini Jeep build. It has been quite a few months since the last video, and over that time, I've had about 800 views on the last video, so that's awesome. I really appreciate anybody who's watched, and wanted to take some time to update sort of where the project has gone. So, I got the Jeep to where it worked as far as steering and the pedals, and my kids got to see it, and we played with it and let some of the other cousins and friends play with it too. And sort of after using it for a while, I decided to change directions a little bit on it. So we're going to get into that in future videos. But even in this state, without the body on it or anything, the the kids loved it and had a lot of fun pushing them around in the yard. In general, I found that, at least with my kids, they had a pretty hard time pedaling it on anything other than flat pavement, um, which is why I changed the direction of the build a little bit. So just keep that in mind if you decide to build a pedal car yourself. Uh, I'm not totally sure how well they worked even back in the day. So it could be that they never really did work all that well, at least with the crankshaft and pushrod rear axles. I was tempted to go with like a bicycle chain and pedal system, and that may have worked better, but um, I ended up, going a motorized option. So again, I really appreciate everyone who took time to watch the other videos. And in the next video, we're going to get into the fabrication of the body. So thanks again.
They cold.
Turn this one. Yeah, they are cold.
Oh, go back. Oh,
Push it. Push them.
oh, it's too cold.
How about over here? What about this one?
Oh,
What's this one do?
I want to. Let me go here.
Yeah, that moves the table. It's very cold, huh?